Christmas is not just about gifts wrapped in paper. Sometimes, the greatest gifts are wrapped in love.
Mom, do you think Santa will like my gift?
Oh, sweetheart, Santa loves gifts made from the heart.
Speaking of like you,
I didn't buy it, I made it. That's what makes it special. Look what I made for you. It's a special star to remind you that you are never alone.
why did you write that?
Because some people feel lonely on Christmas.
Merry Christmas, my love.
Emma and Sarah walk through the snow carrying a small bag.
Are you sure you want to give it away?
Yes, Mom. Someone needs it more than me. Yes, Mom. Someone needs it more than me. Come on, quick.
The children, in confusion, don't see anyone outside, only a gift box. Mr. Thomas steps out, confused.
You are never alone. Thank you, whoever you are.
Mister, Merry Christmas.
There, but this little star, this is the best Christmas gift of my life.
Mom! Santa came!
Mom, I think I understand Christmas now.
What is it?
It's not about getting gifts. It's about becoming one.
This Christmas, be the gift. Inshallah, love will always find its way.